And good morning, it's my Jeep, a quick update, and it's August 11:30, I believe. Okay, and this is on the Pinon, Shims, and race. Now, some information I just come across because I had been confused.
You're always
Several
confused,
videos,
boy.
I noticed that some were putting the Pinon Shims behind the race, and some were putting it behind the bearing there on the pinion shaft. So that really confused me because I always thought
Boy, you're always
behind
confused.
the bearing on the pinion shaft. So I called, I didn't call, I emailed Yukon where I got my kit, and they informed me that if it's the original from the factory, it will be behind the pinion shaft bearing on the pinion shaft. But their kit, the Shims, are meant to go behind that race there. But they also said you could install them behind the race or behind the pinion shaft bearing. But they cautioned, make sure you don't put shims behind each one or the other. So I think what I'm going to do is stay with this. I'll probably pull that bearing off, and at the very least, I don't know if I'll reuse those shims, but at the very least, I will measure them and find out what the thickness is, and I'll start with that. And that's a quick My Jeep update. I just thought I'd pass that info on. I know those of you that are experienced will know this, but I know there's many like me that's just learning these things, and I just thought I'd pass that on. That's my Jeep update.